Stargirl. Premiere 2020 Genres TV. Big City Greens. Premiere 2018 Genres TV. Comedy Adventure. The Humorist Show. Genres TV. History Sketch Comedy. Crave of the Creek. Premiere 2018 Genres TV. Animation Comedy Family. Amphibia. More Amphibia 218 of 264 the best TV shows returning in 2021 12 of 17 the best kids shows grown-ups should be watching 13 of 40 the best Disney Channel cartoons ever made. The Not Too Late Show with Elmo. Premiere 2020 Genres TV. Family Late Night. Talk show More The Not Too Late Show with Elmo 362 of 677. The best original streaming shows of the last few years 15 of 15. The best new late night shows of the last few years 146 of 327. The best 2020 original streaming platform shows. The Owl House. Premiere 2020 Genres TV. Comedy, Fantasy, Horror. Moominvalley. Premiere 2019 Genres TV. Fantasy, Animation, Children's. Hilda. Premiere 2018 Genres TV. Fantasy. Animation More Hilda 135 of 451 the best new Netflix original series of the last few years 387 of 486 the greatest animated series ever made 200 of 215 the best cartoons to watch Stone. The Hour Chef. Premiere 2020 Genres TV. Cooking, Reality. Reality competition More The Hour Chef 70 of 116 the best reality competition series 58 of 60 the most watchable cooking competition shows 145 of 203 the best TV shows you can watch on Disney+. She-Ra and the Princesses of Power. Premiere 2018 Genres TV. Action, Adventure, Science Fantasy. Lego City Adventures. Premiere 2019 Genres TV. Comedy. Big Hero 6, the series. Premiere 2018 Genres TV. Superhero Comedy. My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. Premiere 2010 Genres TV. Animation. Children's television series. Adventure film. Comedy. Family film More My Little Pony. Friendship is Magic the best My Little Pony. Friendship is Magic characters 247 of 644 the best cartoons of all time 225 of 349 the best kids cartoons of all time. Andi Mack. Premiered 2017 Genres TV. Comedy, Drama. The Masked Singer. Premiered 2019 Genres TV. Reality competition. Music More The Masked Singer Dreamcasting celebrities we want to see on The Masked Singer 30 of 86 the best black TV shows of the last few years 8 of 36 the best current Fox shows. Ducktales. Premiere 2017. Babysitter's Club. Premiere 2020 Genres TV, Family, Teen More. The Babysitter's Club. The best characters on The Babysitter's Club. 36 of 39. The best TV show reboots and returns of 2029 of 16. The best TV series with life lessons. No Good Nick. Premiere 2019 Genres TV, Comedy, Family Comedy. More No Good Nick. 287 of 308. The greatest sitcoms in television history. 30 of 106. The best new teen TV shows of the last few years. 18 of 70. The best new TV sitcoms of the last few years. Cobra Kai. Premiere 2018 Genres TV, Comedy, Drama, Action. More Cobra Kai. The best episodes of Cobra Kai. 1 of 95. The best YouTube Premium Original Series. 365 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch. Raising Dion. Premiere 2019 Genres TV, Superhero, Sci-Fi, Drama. More Raising Dion. 58 of 245. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 63 of 75. Sci-fi shows you should be watching now. 13 of 26. The best current shows that deal with race relations. Lost in Space. Premiere 2018 Genres TV, Sci-Fi, Mystery, Adventure. More Lost in Space. 53 of 300. The best sci-fi television series of all time. 7 of 185. The best new shows that premiered in 2018. 28 of 38. All the TV shows ending in 2021. Ranked. Raven's Home. Premiere 2017 Genres TV, Comedy, Family. Young Sheldon. Premiere 2017 Genres TV, a series of unfortunate events. Premiere 2017 Genres TV, Comedy, Drama. More a series of unfortunate events. The best episodes of a series of unfortunate events. 38 of 59. The best teen sci-fi and fantasy TV series. 82 of 160 shows with the best freaking series finales of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the